Morning, my dear students. Today we discuss about last topic of first unit, the subject of energy technology. The last topic is energy crisis and alternatives. Before we going today's session, look at the syllabus. We are already covered 6 topic, remaining 2 topics: energy crisis and energy alternatives. So before discussing energy crisis, what is the energy crisis? There is nothing but the energy crisis is the concern that the world demand on the limited natural resource, because we have some limited natural resource that used to power industrial society, and increasing the demand rises because we are need more energy, so it should be lead to increase the demand. The natural resources are limited to supply because the availability is very less. We are continuously use natural resources. The farming of the resources it will be take to thousands of years. It's the introduction. Energy crisis is a broad and complex topic. People may not worry about that the energy crisis because there is not broad of understanding the complex cases and the solution for the energy crisis that will allow effect and to happen, that will be resolve it. But many people not doing that. The energy crisis is something that ongoing and getting worse and dissipate many facts. Nowadays it's going, but many people not aware of that. Most people don't feel connected to the reality unless the price of the oil at the bunk goes up or there are lines at the gas station. Suppose we are line the gas station, then only we are able to realize the energy crisis. We are discussing about what are the possible cases for the global energy crisis. First one is overconsumption. Yes, we are consumption over means there should be increase the pollution. Next is overpopulation. We are increasing population day to day. It is also increasing the demand of energy resources. Poor infrastructure. Many countries under developing stage they do not have proper infrastructure. It should be increase the losses of energy. It is responsible for utilities to keep upgrading infrastructure and set high standard of performance. It is a very essential. Unexplored renewable energy option. Many people not aware about renewable energy options. That's only the renewable energy till now not properly used. This is another one reason. People may aware about the fossil fuel only, even though right now many people depend upon fossil fuel. Actually, renewable energy is the best alternative options to reduce the fossil fuels. Delay in commissioning of power plant. Few country there's not significant to plant development power plant within the result. The old power plant come under huge stress. They meet daily demand for power. It is possible to damage. So we need to don't delay to plant the power plant. Basis of energy. Just you can simply we are not using of the fan and lights when it is not used. Use maximum daylight. We are doing the proper walking instead of driving for short distance. It is one type of energy saving method, but people not aware about that. They are only limited to books, internet, newspaper, ad and seminar. Focusing on not going beyond that limit. poor distribution, not a proper distribution system. It will lead breakdown and increasing the energy losses. Major accidents, there's a earthquake, float. This will be leads require more energy to rebuild the infrastructure. As increase the gap between the supply and demand can raise the price of essential items. That time major accident or natural calamity, it lead such parameters. War and attack. Generally war is not like many countries, because war between country cannot the hammer of the supply of energy. Especially it happened in Middle East because Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Kuwait, United Arab Emirates and Qatar. It is happened half for 1990. That time the price of the oil will be reached maximum and also lead the shortages to supply the energy to customer. It is another parameter, indirect factor, the tax hike, strike, military coup, political event, severe hot summer and then severe cold winter. It is also increasing the our demand of energy. We need strike by trade union in oil producing firm can also energy crisis, because they are expecting the low minimum profit level. We need increasing the energy supply. That time that should be made as a strike. It is increasing the energy crisis. And then what are the effects happen in the global, because the growth of human population definitely increasing the consumption of traditional energy sources. Very basic energy source now is a fossil fuel. The usage of all the sources is bound to the produce certain effect. Some important effect of global we will discuss here. Environmental effect. Yes, we are using the more energy, it should be lead to environmental effect. We are using the global resources day to day is increasing the fossil fuel. Decreasing the fossil fuel. It is also affect the environment, because we are using the fossil fuel, which emit the greenhouse gases. These gases create the blanket of the earth's surface. It should be increase global warming. And then increase of the price of fuel resources. We are using the more fuel, it's also increasing the fuel resources. The effect on tourism is generally happened to all the country. Effect of tourism, because tremendous rise of fuel price that come as a result of the energy crisis affect the tourism industry, because there are charging more amount. They affect the tourism because of the increasing the fuel prices. And then we come to the what are the possible solutions. There's many possible solutions. Even though industries are planned to construct, we use the coal, not gas or oil. There's a primary source of power of manufacturing. Yes, where navally there are planned to infrastructure developed only for coal. It should be producing sulfur dioxide, NOx, as here very difficult to manage such a pollution parameter. Yeah, definitely the world move the renewable energy. It should be decreasing the primary energy source. But industrial age was created only fossil fuel, but there are all known, very well known, the uses of such a type of renewable energy, steam, solar, wind. But a major concern is not much that will run out the gas or oil. But we can use the coal will continue to pollute the atmosphere and destroy the natural resources continuously. By energy efficient products, CLF LED light and LED TV, and then we are using the electrical component minimum energy. It is also decreasing the energy crisis, and it is possible to eliminate the energy crisis. Lighting control. Here we are using some electronic devices. We manage some lighting on and off method. It is highly essential. Easier the grid access. Suppose many people or corporate plan to develop its own electric power, means the government will give the access grid and give the credit of the source. It is highly essential. Apart from government already giving the subsidy of solar panel to encourage the people to explore the renewable options. Energy simulation. It is also built with the software. We need how much of energy required. It is possible to inbuilt with the energy simulation software. Many developed countries they inbuilt with this type of software. Engineer, architect, designer would be aware of such a software. Then only we can easily be energy efficient building. It is also reducing carbon footprint. India will be planned to reduce the carbon footprint 2050 around 30%. We are going focusing on softwares. Perform energy audit. Yes, we are performing the energy audit. It should be improve our energy usage. We can able to easily find out which place we are using the more energy, which place we are using the less energy. It is save the energy and money and avoid energy crisis of our nation. We need to build common standard of climate changes. It is highly essential. Both here we played both developing countries should adopt common stand on climate changes. Don't blame others. With current population growth, definitely we are over consumption of resources. We need to minimize our usage. Otherwise, the global will be face very dangerous situation of coming years. There is many energy alternatives. Most popular is solar. Suppose we can think energy alternative means most people focusing on solar because it is readily available, and the nuclear power. India is a less nuclear power production. We are only for 2 to 3%, and the hydroelectric energy. It is a traditional energy method. India also producing more electric power, hydroelectric energy. In Canada, they produce around 40% of total electric power from hydroelectric. Wave energy. In Andaman Nicobar, we can plan to implement wave energy. Biofuel. We are just now implement the focusing on biofuel. Indian Railway also. There are plan to introduce biodiesel on the transportation. And then we will get the natural gas. Natural gas it is possible we can use. It should be complete combustion is possible. Home purpose recently they are developing in transportation. Geothermal power is nothing but it is a power developed with the help of heat. It's available under the earth surface. Wind energy is already in Tamil Nadu very familiar. We are producing 4,000 megawatt power. And then tidal energy. Tidal energy is differentiate the pressure between the channel. I am already sure the tidal energy is placed on the channels. Biomass energy, it is also with the help of wood, coal, The type of energy is come under the biomass energy. Hydrogen gas is one of the best alternative solution for transportation because hydrogen is it is only used in transportation. Complete combustion is possible. There is no emission when we are using the hydrogen energy. That's all complete. Unit first. Next, I have shared one video the problem. Suppose it's possible to ask energy conversion problem. You can watch the video. Next, we can part your questions. What do you mean by energy crisis? Commonly asked question. There is possible to ask any individual reasons for energy crisis, problem of global energy crisis, and then what the effect of energy crisis. There is any one alternative. It is specify one topic mean it is possible to ask 2 mark. That should be asking whole. Briefly explain possible solution, effect, and briefly alternative energy, and then merit diversity. It is means